Ever wonder what makes a woman's heart melt? It's not just looks or money. It's the small, genuine things men do that make them stand out. Today, we're diving deep into 13 powerful things that can instantly win her over. If you want to be the kind of man who leaves a lasting impression, keep watching. And trust me, number one will surprise you. Keycap 1: Active listening. Show her you truly hear her. A woman feels an emotional connection when a man truly listens to her. Not just with his ears, but with his heart. Most men hear words, but few truly listen. Active listening means being present in the conversation, making eye contact, nodding in agreement, and responding with thoughtful answers. It's also about remembering small details. If she tells you she loves a certain type of coffee or a song, bring it up later. She'll melt knowing that you genuinely care about her thoughts and feelings. Keycap 2: Protecting her in subtle but meaningful ways. It's not about being her bodyguard. It's about making her feel safe in everyday moments. A simple yet powerful way to melt a woman's heart is by showing that you care about her safety and comfort. These small gestures speak volumes. Walking on the outer side of the sidewalk to protect her from traffic, holding her hand when crossing a busy street, making sure she gets home safely by texting her or dropping her off. These little things make a woman feel cared for and protected, which instantly strengthens the emotional connection. Keycap 3: Random, thoughtful gestures. Surprising her with thoughtful actions, big or small, shows that you think about her even when she's not around. Thoughtful men are unforgettable. It's not about grand gestures. It's the small, unexpected acts of kindness that make a woman melt. Bringing her favorite snack when she's had a long day, sending her a good morning text to start her day right, picking up something she casually mentioned eating. These little things show her that she's on your mind, making her feel valued and loved. Keycap 4: Complimenting her beyond her looks. Every woman loves to hear she's beautiful, but the most meaningful compliments go beyond the surface. Instead of just saying, "You look amazing," try complimenting her personality, intelligence, or passions. I love how you light up when you talk about your dreams. Your kindness is one of the most beautiful things about you. I admire how determined you are. These types of compliments stay with her forever, making her feel deeply appreciated. Keycap 5: Making her laugh. A lot. Laughter creates an instant emotional bond. If you can make a woman laugh, you're already winning. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them feel happy. Whether it's through a clever joke, playful teasing, or just being goofy together, laughter builds attraction and connection. Keycap 6: Being confident but humble. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a turnoff. The perfect balance. Self-assurance with humility. Confidence isn't about showing off. It's about knowing your worth without needing to prove it. Women love men who carry themselves with quiet confidence, treating others with kindness and respect. Keycap 7: Subtle but sweet public affection. A light touch on her back, holding her hand in a crowd. These subtle moments of affection make her feel cherished. Public displays of affection don't have to be over the top. Small, natural gestures like brushing her hair behind her ear, placing a hand on the small of her back, or squeezing her hand can make her heart melt. Keycap 8: Standing up for her when needed. A man who has her back, whether in public or private, is deeply attractive. Standing up for her doesn't mean picking fights. It means supporting her when she's being treated unfairly, encouraging her to believe in herself, and defending her when needed. Keycap 9: Keeping his word. Reliability is sexy. If you say you'll do something, do it. Consistency is one of the sexiest traits a man can have. Women feel secure with a man who follows through on his promises, whether big or small. If you say you'll call, call. If you promise a date, show up on time. Keycap 10: Expressing his feelings without fear. A man who's comfortable expressing his emotions is truly attractive. Women appreciate men who aren't afraid to show vulnerability, saying things like, "I really appreciate you," or "you make me happy" can make a woman's heart melt instantly. 1. Showing interest in her passions. You don't have to love everything she loves, but showing interest in her world makes her feel seen. Ask her about her favorite book, watch her favorite show with her, or listen to her talk about her hobbies. When a man takes an interest in what excites her, she feels truly valued. 2. Playful teasing and banter. Playful teasing keeps the spark alive and adds a fun dynamic to the relationship. A little witty banter, an inside joke, or a light-hearted challenge makes interactions exciting. 3. Making her feel safe, emotionally and physically. The most attractive thing a man can do is make a woman feel completely safe with him. Being someone she can confide in without judgment, someone she trusts completely. That's what melts her heart the most. Which of these 13 things do you already do? And which one do you think is the most powerful? Let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Fire until next time. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep making hearts melt. Red Heart.